In this video, we review Stallion Infrastructure Services Synchronization tool. First, use the Area Event Search tool to identify the exact time when a specific object with a selected color was detected. Drag and drop the camera into the desired layout. Then use the Sync All button to synchronize all cameras on screen with the selected camera. If you need to sync only certain cameras on screen, use individual sync buttons. Note that the playback position has changed only for synchronized cameras, indicated with the green clocks. The rest are unaffected and can remain in any mode. The green color of the timeline indicates that synchronization is on. You can change selected cameras while synchronization is on. This allows you to jump to the previous or to the next event for the selected camera, or click anywhere on the timeline to change the playback position for the selected camera or the playback position of the dependent. Cameras will follow. To stop synchronization, click the Sync button on the selected camera. Use the All Live button or Stop Sync to stop synchronization on all cameras. Watch our other tutorials or contact Stallion for additional information on our video surveillance monitoring portal and video surveillance hardware.